Hey friends, if network sharing no longer works on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, before anything else, you'll have to check the internet connection speed. Why? Because when you're sharing over network and sending files, that needs a lot of data. So, open your browser and go to fast.com and hit enter. Check the internet connection speed. It shouldn't be that the internet is only working, the internet connection speed should be good enough. Next one is to update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates. That's how you will update Windows. The next one is to restart the Wi-Fi adapter. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Okay, right click on Wi-Fi and then you can select enable if it is disabled. I'll show you. This is disabled. See, it's enabled, so when you right click on it, you'll get the option to disable it. But if it was disabled, if you had a cross mark here, then you would have gotten the option to enable it. So you have to click on that. And then the next one is to reset network settings. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced network settings in the right pane. Select network reset and then finally click on reset now. And the last solution will be to uninstall any third-party antivirus from your system. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side. Select installed apps in the right pane. Sort it out by whatever manner you want to and find any third-party antivirus. Click on the three dots associated with it and select uninstall. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.